What's up, guys? This is Dave Williams with Black Coyote Outdoors. I wanted to show you a pack that I've been carrying around, and I wanted to show you some of the contents inside of it. So stick around. Alright guys, this is the pack I was telling you about. For the most part, I've been using this pack for about a year and a half. I've been taking it on various fishing trips and everything, and I don't have an issue with it. This pack is a waterproof backpack from 5 Star Gear. I believe it is the 60-liter bag. I think that's the size of it. I'll flip it around, show you the back. As you can see, it's got some decent padding and little grooves for heat distribution. It has reinforced straps for weight distribution, and it also has a built-in waist strap. There is a waist pad that comes with it. I guess you would call it a cummerbund pad. It velcros to here. I took it off. I didn't like it too much. It was causing the bag to be too bulky. But I usually keep the bag in this configuration. It does have extra little tie out, so you can put more bungee on the outside. But it also comes with this bungee. And normally on the outside of the pack, I keep my tomahawk. This is my cold steel tomahawk, and also I keep my USGI poncho. That's just for ease of access. If it starts raining, I can throw it on and carry on. So let's move on to the contents of the inside of the bag. So on the inside of the bag, I usually keep things in order so that way I can grab them easy. Pair of leather gloves. You want to protect your hands at all times. I keep various types of head covers. I have a multicam boonie hat. I keep a neck gaiter in there, and also this knitted wool cap, this patrol cap. It's actually military issue. Next on the list is the Condor IFAC medical pouch. It keeps everything in here that I need for medical applications, just in case somebody gets hurt. Next, cutting tools. This is a Blind Horse Knives Platoon Scout. This sheath and everything I made myself. I keep several knives in here because 2 is 1 and 1 is none. This is a Georgia Bushcrafter from LT Wright. I love these knives. I love the style of them. I love the broomstick handle. I actually made this sheath also with a little Altoid tin keeper on it. This is a fire kit. This pouch is actually an M16 gun cleaning kit. I took all the contents out of it, put a little fire kit in here. I actually have quite a few things in here, and I also have a tin to make char cloth with. This is my 10 C's kit. This is pretty much redundancies of everything that I have. Fire making, compass, everything that you would need to aid you in survival is in this kit. So this is pretty much my redundancies. This is a multicam pouch from the Hidden Wisdom. I'm not sure what he calls this pouch, but I keep a roll of Gorilla tape, Gorilla brand duct tape. You always got to have some of that. No telling what you might need it for. I also keep my water canteen. This is the Pathfinder extra large bag. It's got the Pathfinder bottle and the Pathfinder nesting cup. Also, it has other things in it too. But I'll go over the contents of this in a later video because I'm just trying to keep the video kind of short. And if there's anything you have questions about, feel free to ask, because I don't mind sharing with you guys. I feel that's the way we should do information in this community. So it's getting kind of windy out here. This is a Tough Possum gear pouch. This is what I have all my cordage in. It varies from certain lengths of paracord to different sizes of bank line. This is the Static V Recon sleeping pad by Climate. Best sleeping pad I've ever used in my life. Matter of fact, there's probably about 5 or 6 holes in it that I've repaired with the repair kit, and I have no issues with it. It still holds air, sleeps good and everything. If you're a side sleeper, that's the best pad I've found so far to use for sleeping on the ground. Of course, I have a second cutting tool. Goes along with my cold steel tomahawk. This is my Baco Latlander for processing large pieces of wood. And last but not least, this is my shelter system. I actually got this with a battle box kit, and it's not exactly the most expensive tarp in the world, but it does hold up pretty good. I've used it quite a few times, camping and things like that. This tarp is 12 by 9 foot and 6 inches, I believe. Yeah, 12 by 9 and 6 inches. I keep 4 tent stakes in here and paracord and bungee cords for my tarp setup. So all the things you see here fit nicely in the bag actually. And normally I would keep a MMS sleeping bag system, the military sleep system, in it, but I took it out just for the purpose of being able to show you guys a little bit easier about the stuff that I carry in here. And this is pretty much it. I hope that video was informative for you. That's the gear that I carry, and that's the bag that I carry it in. I've used it for a year and a half, and it's worked well for me. If you have any questions or comments about the stuff that I carry in my kit or the bag itself, shoot me a message in the comment section, and share and subscribe. Remember, prepare to survive.